cooker is life. Because rice is life. So I would bring rice cooker, pure rice cooker in my kids' games, especially kapag abroad kami or out of town. Lalo si Lucio kasi kanin talaga yan eh. And when you are in a hotel, shucks, baka ma-flag ako sa mga hotel. Nagluto mo pa na sa banyo ha. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na, of course, hindi ko isa-sacrifice yung nutrition ng anak ko, ng mga anak ko, especially may mga games nila. I want them to be full before and after each game. So pag nag-request si Lucio na mama, can you please make it sorbika or any one-pot meal. So having your rice cooker with you can actually create something magical in a small area in your hotel. If you have a balcony, swerte kasi hindi ako yung kwarto mo. Kung wala man sa banyo ka, magdasal ka na lang na walang housekeeping na pupunta. But it is something that's very reliable. And us as Filipinos, hindi tayo nagiging happy pag wala kanin. And I think, given, mahirap pumili kung ano sa appliances ng Kiowa na gusto kong paliyan. But just to be very honest and truthful, for me, yung rice cooker talaga. Kasi it is something that you leave it and papalik mo perfect yung kanin mo, wala ka na problema. Well, of course, I've said to the rice cooker that's a must that we need to have at home kasi, again, rice is life. The air fryer I would recommend for healthy cooking. It is also something that's pretty much very safe for the kids. They introduce sa kanila when it comes to cooking. We also have waffle makers. Yung waffle maker, you can make it oatmeal banana pancakes, and sometimes you can make pancakes with some shredded carrot, parang mukha siyang banana carrot bread. Inserting vegetables in your kids' food while including them in the kitchen while cooking makes for them to appreciate what they're doing kasi katulong ka nilang gumawa, they know what's in their food, and you actually show them that I trust you using this products and items because I know you're going to use it. Because I trust you so much that I know in my heart and in my mind, but hindi mo yung mga anak ko using Kio items or Kio appliances. It's very easy to understand. It's very easy to use. It is something na wala kang maraming kailangang iintindihin para magamit siya. That is, I think, one of the main reasons why Kio has been here for the longest time because it's not difficult to understand. Ate, saan ang pinaka-nahihirapan when it comes to everything I do in my life? Well, actually, in all honesty, wala naman mahirap. May challenges, yes. Yung hirap, I think it is something na for me, hindi ko iniisip kaya hindi ko siya nararamdaman. But more on, I think of it as a challenge para I could give my best in any part of my work. It may be a celebrity endorser, it could be as a mom or a wife or as a chef. I take it as a challenge. So, because I learn from it and everything I really make it a point that I learn something from it. Ano ba yung hinahanap ko or ano ba yung dream ko of becoming a chef? Wow. Sige, suntok sa buwan, wala namang masarap mangarap. I really wanted to put up my own little school and teach kids. Someday, hopefully, probably, because maraming mga, and new moms, mga gustong, mga takot sa kusina, probably looking back at the comments of Juliet's Kitchen, I see new moms, I see college students na nag-enjoy watching Juliet's Kitchen and that they basically napapasaya sila ng channel. Pero naman, why not create a community that I could actually teach people to not be scared is a survival skill. It is something that we have to learn, be it you're a single mom or a single person, maaari talaga ka, binata ka, but cooking for yourself is very important. Kailangan hindi na yan, hindi ka, kaya mo magpakulo ng tubig.
Ano, yes. Water. It's a start. It's a start.
Yes.
Start somewhere. Yes.
I am not yet a seasoned chef. I know I'm a newbie in this industry, and I am still learning, and I'm being very honest when I say that I have a long way to go. I still have a long way to go. I'm just really grateful that people are actually trusting me with their brands and their products, and that alone I'm grateful already.
I'm sure they're happy to be along for the journey with you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
First dish I cooked when I was probably 10, 11 years old was sopas. Kasi favorite comfort food ko ang sopas up until now. Pag may sakit ako, or puyat ako from work, or may hangover ako.
Sorry.
At 47, ako may dalawang pasang white, kinabukasan na yung hangover. So, hindi ko naman itago sa inyo, huwag tayo magpaka-plastic. So, those are the things that I love to cook. So, when I learned how to make sopas, nung nag-culinary na ako, natuto na ako mag-explore. So, there are times I would put curry powder in my sopas, I would put cheese, I would put clams, so para maging seafood chowder na siya at some point. Parang I love creating a blank space using sopas as my canvas. Nung naging nag-culinary na ako kasi looking back, it makes me happy when I eat sopas. So it just makes sense that I can actually play around with sopas. So you can actually, did you know that you can actually put pesto sauce in your sopas? Oo, pwede pala. May hangover ba wala? So, yeah, nag-culinary ako. It just made me appreciate more na, and mas realize ko na, yes, I really do love cooking so much. Kasi, looking back with my younger days, when I'm so tired from work, pag burnt out ako from work, and ang daming chismis sa buhay, I go to snack out. I see myself in the kitchen cooking probably from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Wow. Nasa kusina lang ako. So, doon ako natuto kami sa rice cooker. Doon ako natuto mag-explore na ano. Kasi galit ako. Ay, hindi naman galit, but I don't want to be seen. I just want to be busy. So, kung i-busy yung utak ko, naging show business ang iniisip ko. So, I would always turn to cooking. And it would always make me happy at the end of the day na parang, okay, I can face them already. Because I've proven to myself na, you know what, pwede akong hindi ka artista someday. I can actually do something else when no one wants to get me anymore. I can still make something out of the living na pinag-aralan ko. So I'm very, very proud of the things that I did. I think it may just comfort me, but these are the things that everything that we will eat from under the boy came from my heart. Every brand or new family that I have, it is in God's hand. There's a reason behind it. And I'm just happy that I'm able to represent Kiowa. For a lot of people who wants to learn how to cook, who wants to be confident in the kitchen, I think Kiowa is the perfect partner in your kitchen. It just makes you feel more independent. Kasi it's so easy to use, it's very convenient. Hindi mabubutas ang bulsa nila, but nagkababa with beautiful viands, very beautiful products galing sa kitchen nila. Yung display mo talaga siya. Hindi mo na siya display. You actually really use it.
Right, right. Okay, so
each and every one of you who came all the way here, thank you so much for your time. It's really nice seeing all of you again. New and old faces. Alam na nila kasi may mga old faces. We've been in this industry for such a long time. It's always a pleasure seeing all of you you again. And of course, my Kiowa family. Sir, thank you so